Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Okay, let's continue our lecture in chapter 2, complex numbers, subtopic 2.8, expansions for cos power of n and sin power of n in terms of cosines and sines of multiples of theta. Okay, for definition 2.13, okay, if z equal to cos theta plus j sin theta, then z power of n plus 1 over z power of n equal to 2 cos n theta. So this is for real part. And zn minus 1 over z power of n equal to 2j sin n theta. So this is for imaginary part. Okay, next is binomial theorem. Okay, definition for binomial theorem is a plus b power of n equal to this one. Okay, with NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. Okay, binomial theorem used to find a plus b power of n. Okay, why we need this binomial theorem? Okay, let's see this example. Okay, let's say the question asks you to find a plus b power of n. Sorry, a plus b power of 2. A plus b squared. Okay, you can find this one easily. Just a plus b times a plus b. Okay, you get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. How about a plus b power of 3? Okay, a plus b cubed. Okay, you can find by a plus b times a plus b times a plus b. Okay, you will get a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, how about a plus b power of 20? Okay, can you find a plus b power of 20 by using this method? Okay, maybe it take you one whole day, okay, to find a plus b power of 20 by times a plus b for 20 times. Okay, so to avoid this problem, okay, we use this binomial theorem to find a plus b power of n. Okay, n is any positive integer. Okay, so I show you one example, okay, how to use this binomial theorem. Okay, find a plus b power of 5. Okay, we use this binomial theorem. So a power of 5 plus 5c1 a 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, b, okay, plus 5c2 a 3b 2 plus 5c3 a2b3 plus 5c4 a1b4 plus 5c5 a0b5. Okay. So for NCR, okay, we use this n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So a power of 5 plus a5 factorial over 1 factorial 5 minus 1 factorial a power of 4b plus 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial 5 minus 2 factorial a cube b squared plus 5 factorial over 3 factorial 5 minus 3 factorial a squared b cube plus 5 factorial over 4 4 factorial, 5 minus 4 factorial, a b power of 4, and plus 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 5 minus 5 factorial, b5. Okay, a power of 0 is equal to 1. So you can solve this factorial, okay, using your calculator. So you get a power of 5 plus 5 a power of 4b plus 10 a cube b squared plus 10 a squared b cube plus 5 a1 b4 plus b5. Okay, so this is the answer for a plus b power of 5. Okay, we will see the other example in the next slide. Okay, let's try this example. State sine power of 5 theta in terms of sine. Okay, so now refer to definition 2.13. Is z minus 1 over z equal to 2j sine theta. The question asks you to find sine power of 5. So z minus 1 over z power of 5 equal to 2j sine theta power of 5. And now you take z minus 1 over z power of 5. Okay, you need to use binomial theorem. So z power of 5 plus 5c1 z4 times negative 1 over z plus 5c2 z cube. Then negative 1 over z squared, you get 1 over z squared plus 5c3 z squared 1 over z cube. Sorry, negative 1 over z cube, you get negative 1 over z cube. Okay, plus 5c4 z1 is 1 over z power of 4 plus 5c5 z0 1 over z power of 5. Okay, now you solve z power of 5. 5c1, you get 5 negative 5 z power of 4, you times with negative 1 over z, you get z cube plus 5c2 equal to 10. Okay, z squared times with z 1 over z squared times with z cube, you get z. Okay, minus 5c3 equal to 10. Here you get 1 over z plus 5 times 1 over z cube minus 1 over z power of 5. Now z power of 5 with this z power of 5 minus 1 over z power of 5. Okay, minus 5 z power of 3 with this minus 1 over z power of 3 plus 10 z minus 1 over z. Okay, you factorize it. Okay, so the question asks you to find 2j sine theta power of 5. So you get this one. Okay, you rewrite again z power of 5 minus 1 over z power of 5 minus 5 z power of 3 minus z power of 3 plus 10 z minus 1 over z. Okay, so 2j power of 5 sine power of 5 theta equal to, here you compare with this one with definition 2.13 z n minus 1 over z n equal to 2j sine n theta. Okay, so you get here 2j sine 5 theta minus 5 times 2j sine 3 theta plus 10 times 2j sine theta. Here I will continue in the next slide. Okay, from the previous slide, if 2 power of 5 is equal to 32, okay, j power of 5, we look at here, j squared is equal to negative 1, okay, j cube, okay, j times j squared, okay, j times negative 1, you get negative j, okay, j power of 4, so j times j cube, okay, j times negative j, you get negative j squared, so equal to 1. J power of 5, j times j power of 4, 1 times, j times 1, you get j. Okay, so here j power of 5 is equal to j. Okay, sine power of 5 theta equal to 2j, okay, you factorize 2j, sine 5 theta minus 5 sine 3 theta plus 10 sine theta. So 2j divided by 32j. Here you left sine power of 5 theta at the left side. So you bring 32j to right side. So you get 1 over 16. Okay. Sine 5 theta minus 5 sine 3 theta plus 10 sine theta. So sine power of 5 theta equal to 1 over 16 sine 5 theta minus 5 over 16 sine 3 theta plus 5 over 8 sine theta. Okay, so this is the answer for sine power of 5 theta. So that's all for this video. Thank you.